This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Chaplin Williams Realty property video is presented by Gina Schmidt. This stunning condo is the perfect place to call home or home away from home, since all outdoor maintenance is covered by association, giving you the freedom to travel. Being less than a mile walk to the beach and some of Amelia Island's best restaurants, with only a quick 10-minute ride to historic downtown Fernandina. One of the standout features of this condo is its ample storage options, ensuring that you have plenty of room to keep your belongings organized and out of sight. With custom cabinets in the kitchen, family room, surrounding the cozy fireplace, and guest bath. This inviting space perfectly combines elegance with functionality. The condo also boasts a glassed-in Florida room, which brings the outdoors in and provides additional square footage. Grill pad awaits out back. The bedrooms feature luxury vinyl plank flooring, providing durability and easy maintenance. Recently upgraded appliances, including stove, water heater, dishwasher and water softener. Schedule today. For more information, review the details below or contact Gina Schmidt at 904-415-8627.